Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn delete the user in the Supabase via Flask. For those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. The last three videos we have discussed how to create the Supabase project, their API keys, how to list all the users table, how to create the table, how to list the users, then update, okay, then add. Now we have a delete. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, so here I'm going to add it. So you have to follow the from the previous videos. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code. I'll take a look of that one. Import the necessary modules, load environment variables, Supabase client interacting with database for accessing the environment variables, load environment variables from the .env, create a Flask application instance, Supabase URL. So here we have a Supabase project, initialize the Supabase client. Okay, and now we have to go with our next part, that is delete. So in the delete we have to go with delete user and their id. So in here we have id2, so I'm going to delete that one. So here we go with this. I need to just put this code and delete. So here we have the postman, and let's go with delete over there, and the record is deleted. And if I just refresh, and it is deleted. Okay, which record I'm deleting? That is one, I guess. Okay, the record is that deleted, right? So delete part is there, and what how delete by user id, Supabase table users delete equivalent to id, and then execute. If the response dot data, then success, else there is something wrong. Okay, any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.